Do your eyebrows end up looking like distant cousins that hate each other at family reunions? That's okay, because I'm gonna show you how to draw on drag eyebrows. Hey guys, it's Bubbly. I'm a drag queen helping you drag up your life like a queen. So if you haven't already, consider subscribing. All the products will be listed in the description below, and let's go ahead and get started. Alright, so the first thing that we want to do is block our natural eyebrows. You can do this with a glue stick. I'm just gonna wipe mine off. And there we go. They're blocked. Actually, I didn't get them very well. No, I shave my eyebrows off. I just find that it's easier, especially with how much I do my makeup. So I just shave them off and draw them on every day. But so I'm just gonna wipe them off. After you block your eyebrows or shave them off, wipe them off, whatever you gotta do, we're gonna go ahead and start drawing them on. So I'm actually doing two different types of drag eyebrows. The first one is gonna be with the little hairs, and then I'm also gonna do an ombre brow. So to draw on the natural looking eyebrow with the little hairs, I like to use this NYX eyebrow marker in the shade medium. I just find that it's actually pretty nifty. So for my drag eyebrows, I like to start within the same area that my natural eyebrows start, and then I just kind of angle them up from there. So I'm literally gonna start in the inner corner of my natural eyebrow, and then go above my natural eyebrow, and then a little further out than where it arcs, I'm gonna bring it back down. Like so. So then I'm gonna go in with the top little line. And then I like to start about an inch in from where I did at the bottom with the top line. Start bringing that back. And then I just make those two corners meet. And then start filling in the outer corner. And I usually fill it in all the way until the top line starts. So once you have the base shape on, that's when we can go ahead and start drawing in the lines in the front where it's most important. So you literally just start making little brush strokes. So after we get the base on with the eyebrow marker, I'm going to go in with concealer to go ahead and clean it up. So I'm just going in with e.l.f. Complete Coverage Concealer. So I'm taking a mixture of these two lighter colors on this palette, and I'm going to do my under eyebrow highlight with them and clean up the brow. And I just kind of blend that with my finger. To clean up the top edge, I use this color right here. It just matches my skin tone a little bit better, and I don't want it to be as highlighted on top. So once I have all of the liquids down, I'm going to go ahead and set everything with a loose powder. I'm just using good old Coty Airspun. This one is the translucent extra coverage. So I'm just going to take some of that on a powder puff and set the entire area. Now I'm taking a fluffy brush and just brushing away the excess powder. Now I'm going in with this angled flat brush. I'm going to go in with the powder on the e.l.f. eyebrow kit and start filling in my eyebrow. So once we start reaching the front of the eyebrow again, we just want to go in with those upward flicking motions with the brush to create kind of hairs. So once we do the brow powder, I like to go back in with the concealer and add some to the bottom of the eyebrow in the front, just to kind of add to those hairs effect. So after I've finished drawing on the hairs, I just like to go in with, I'm just going to use this Kat Von D palette right here, and I'm going to use this lightest shade just to highlight underneath my eyebrows. So that's how I do my kind of natural drag brow with the hairs in the front. So to do my ombre eyebrows, I usually go in with feminize pencil. As you can see, I'm very close to almost out, but it's just this feminize eyebrow pencil in taupe. I'm gonna start in the front, close to where my natural eyebrows start, and then I'm just gonna follow this bottom line that I did on my other eye as close as I can. So once you get the bottoms as even as possible, we're going to go ahead and start filling in on the top, much like we did on this eyebrow. Now, one thing that I'm doing different is I am taking the top line pretty close to where the bottom line starts, and then I'm going to start filling in the outer corner. And I'm only going to fill it in about 3/4 of the way. Now I'm going to take another angled flat brush. I'm basically just going to blend the eyebrow pencil that's already on my eyebrow into the inner corner. And I'm going to draw the top line down and the bottom line up. So once I have that blended fairly nicely from light to dark, I'm going to go ahead and clean everything up with concealer again. So I'm also putting some concealer in front, and I'm going to blend that in just to blend it seamlessly into my face. So once your eyebrows are looking like sisters, except they're two different types of eyebrows, once your eyebrows are looking like sisters and not distant cousins, we can go ahead and set them with powder. So I'm once again going to go in with that angled flat brush and that e.l.f. eyebrow kit and the powder, and start filling in from the back, and I'm going to be really careful not to get too much product in the front. So I'm really packing it in the outer corner here, and then I'm not getting more product, I'm just kind of dragging it in towards the front. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and pop that highlight underneath my eyebrow. So that is how you draw on two different types of drag eyebrows. You have the eyebrow that has the hairs and kind of looks a little bit natural, and then you have the ombre eyebrow where it goes from light to dark. I really hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure you give it a huge thumbs up. Comment below and let me know which is your favorite eyebrow, the natural eyebrow or the ombre eyebrow. And don't forget to subscribe so that you can drag up your life like a queen, and I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye bye!